Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to use Harbor Freight Tools coupons. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Harbor Freight official website, which is harborfreight.com. Now guys, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Harbor Freight. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Harbor Freight videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the official website of Harbor Freight, where as you can see in the top left corner, you can find your local Harbor Freight store here, see everything about your profile here, see your lists, and see your coupons. In the top right corner, you can see your cart and everything that is in your cart. And here guys, you have the search bar where you can go and search for anything that you would like to look up and just click enter to find it. Here you have the shop, you have the coupons, new tools, you have deals, members only deals, join Inside Track Club, you have the credit center and the buying guides. Also, when you hover on your name, here you can see your orders, your lists, your coupons, Inside Track Club, payments, addresses, account settings, and last option is of course the sign out option. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use Harbor Freight Tools coupons. To do so, you'll need to go to the top side of your screen, click on My Coupons, and here guys, you'll see all of your coupons where you can just click on Start Shopping Deals and there you can use them. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.